Welcome back to Wisconsin Family. We're here at the Madison Tap, part of the Robinia Courtyard family of restaurants. We're going to talk with John Reske later on in the program, see what they have going on at all three of their restaurants here. But first, we're going to talk cleaning, and we're joined now by our good friend Chris Koenig from Natura Clean. How are you, Chris?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, very good. Now, you know, I hate starting out these segments on a negative note,
right.
And this really isn't negative, but I think people need to know this because, you know, this may be something that, you know, people have concerns about if they're considering hiring a cleaning company.
Right.
Accidents.
Yeah.
And we know that accidents happen. So let's say that your crew is cleaning something and something gets broken, which happens from time to time. What happens then?
Yeah, so the crew lets us know that something happened. You know, they let us know what it is. We let the homeowner know. They also write a note to the homeowner so that they're aware in case, you know, like the homeowner comes home before I get a chance to call them. They're notified right away.
Right.
And then, you know, we deal with it. We have insurance, and if it's something that's major, you know, we contact the insurance company. If it's something minor, we cover it, but we'll deal with it. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
So I suppose that's something that a homeowner should think about when they're trying to decide about hiring a cleaning company versus an individual to clean their home, because that individual might need to have that kind of insurance. Right?
Correct, and most of the time they don't. So that's really something to be aware of. So if you know your brand new wood floors get damaged, how is that going to get covered? You know,
Right.
if they don't have insurance, either that person has to pay for it, which they usually don't have the money to do that, or it's going to have to go under the homeowner's insurance, which then will probably increase your homeowner's insurance, your rates going forward.
Yeah.
So
You know, I hadn't thought about something bigger like a floor.
Yeah,
I'm
same
thinking
here.
a lamp. you
Right,
know?
yeah, a lamp or antique or something like that. But yeah, I mean, having your hardwood floor damaged, that's pretty serious, you know.
yeah, I mean, you could have something, you know, stuck to the bottom of the vacuum if you know, if they're using the wrong type of vacuum and they've scratched, you know, the entire floor. So
Wow.
that has to be replaced.
Yes,
Or
yes.
fixed.
Yes, but you guys don't do that, so.
Correct.
you guys are good. You guys.
we have the right kind of
You have
vacuum.
the right kind of stuff. So obviously, I mean, things do happen. So can you give us an example of something that may have happened recently, and then how you guys handled it?
Yeah, so actually something that happened recently is we had a homeowner who had a glass shower door that hangs on a track. So it's frameless. It just hangs on the track above. And it, you know, over time it just slipped down. It was coming out of the thing that hangs. And so the team let us know, and Luis is really handy. You know, my husband's really handy. So we went over there and, you know, thought we'd, you know, put it back up, tighten it a bit.
Yeah.
And we were doing that, and it kept slipping down, and then we pulled it out of the track again to fix it, and Luis was holding it, and the thing nothing happened. It just shattered. The whole door shattered.
And you're mortified.
Oh, completely mortified.
Wow.
And so we contacted the homeowner, and fortunately it was us there and not our employees, because we wondered, like, what did you do? But he was seriously just holding it.
Wow.
So, you know, we replaced the door. You know, we bought a new door for them, and we learned a lesson for that. If that happens again, we're probably just going to call the glass company and have them deal with it.
Right.
Or tell the homeowner to call the glass company.
Wow.
But it seemed like an easy fix, and
Sure.
it shattered, but we're covering it. We're buying them a new door, and it's in the process right now.
Wow. That's like God just saying, okay, it's time for a new door. Stop messing around with this one. It's time for a new one.
Exactly.
So in that case, it was you and your husband, the owners of the company. So if it's an employee, I'm thinking, if it's something smaller, it's got to be a little scary for them to admit that they broke something. And what happens then if they...
Yeah, so our policy is that we never get mad if something's broken. We will never get mad at the employee. It happens. You know, we break things. Everybody breaks things because accidents happen. So we try to keep it, you know, a safe place for them. But I do let them know that I will get mad if they don't tell me. So if they tell us they're never in trouble, if they don't tell us they are in trouble. But it's still hard for a new employee. A new employee still, even though we say they're not going to be in trouble, they're scared, and sometimes they won't tell us, and then we find out, and then we have to have that discussion with them. Like, you know, we need to be upfront because we have to tell the homeowners that that something broke, and so they trust us. You know, so we don't want anything look like we're trying to hide something.
Right. Exactly.
I'm thinking with the door story, they're probably like, better you than me.
Right.
Actually, kind of glad.
Exactly. Yeah, I was so glad
It's
that was
almost
us.
kind of like the whole mom thing, just like, look, just tell me the truth and you won't get in trouble.
I thought
okay?
that's
Don't try to
exactly
hide it
it.
from me, and then, you know.
Yeah,
the same
that's
thing.
exactly it.
Yeah.
So we got just about a minute left, Chris, but do you have any specials going on right now that you'd like to share with our viewers?
Yeah, so we're offering 50% off anyone who calls in and wants a cleaning. 50% off their regular cleanings, weekly,
Okay.
bi-weekly, every 4 weeks. So 50% off of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Off of one cleaning or a package or whatever you buy.
Yeah. So it would be not 50% off each cleaning, but 50% off, or not 50% off, $50 off. Sorry, $50. Yeah, $50 off. So we spread that out over the first 5 cleanings.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Very good. Well, Chris Koenig from Natura Clean, thank you so much for joining us today. We always learn a few things from you, and we appreciate your expertise here today.
Thank you.
Don't go away. There's more Wisconsin Family coming up right after the break. Stick around.